How to manage business and personal accounts separately in Money Manager. In this video, I'll walk you through how to separate your business and personal finances using the Money Manager app. Let's jump right in. Start by opening the Money Manager app on your phone. Make sure you are logged into the account where you want to manage both sets of finances. Now, go to this More, tap on More tab. Here, scroll down and tap on this account settings. Tap on it. Here you can see accounts settings. Tap on account settings. Now in the top right corner, tap on this plus icon to add a new wallet, or you can say new account. Here tap on others right here. Now you can name your account as personal. Okay, add personal, and you can tap on save. Now repeat the same process to create a second wallet. Okay, tap on it and you can name the second wallet business. Okay, tap on others, type in business. Now tap on save right here. Now go back. Now you have two separate spaces to track income and expenses. Now whenever you log a transaction, whether it's an income or expense, always select the correct wallet. Okay, let me do it for you. Tap on this plus icon to create a transaction. Now use a personal wallet for things like groceries, rent, or personal entertainment. Okay, let me do it first. Like add $8,000. Now category, you can choose beauty. Okay, now in this account you can tap on this personal account. Now if you tap on this personal, then it will be added to the personal account like this. Now once you tap it, tap on save. Now repeat the same process. Okay, now you can add the amount, and in the category you can just choose like office supplies, or let me add, you can tap the category name like office supplies for the business account. So tap on save, and in the category add office supplies, and in the account you can see business account you just created, right? Tap on this business and just tap on save. And that's it. Now you know how to cleanly manage the business and personal accounts in the Money Manager app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell icon for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.